Hi YouTube, we're Marko with Marko Custom Models, coming to you today with just a kit review on these customizable show rods by Lindberg. Wanted to show you these are 1/32 scale, so they're not as big as a 25 scale. But I just thought I'd show you the what's inside the box so that you can decide if it's something you want to buy and build. My friend actually picked this up, and I said let's do a kit review on it before he puts it together, and so you can see what's inside the box. Great little weekend build, I think, and let's get in this and see what's here. So it says you get 2 cars, and we'll just go through what's in here. So first off, there's some instructions that just goes through. This is maybe some what is this, Super Roadster? Okay, so yeah, this is instructions on one of the cars. So it's a little simple build, something you could maybe just have some fun with and build on a Saturday while you're watching TV or something. This one is for the Lucky Bucket, which looks like a rear engine version. There you go. It's kind of a neat concept. And some of these are great ideas too, even if they're not the scale you build in, but they might give you an idea. You could build something like this in a different scale, so it's kind of fun to do. There's just some literature from Lindberg here, and looks like a decal sheet. Water slides, so there's some graphics to put on there. Get that out of the way. Alright, now we get into a tree that has some chrome parts on it, and looks like some stock steel wheels and some hubcaps and a little blower, windshield, top of the engine there, some valve covers, and a Model T grill, and some exhaust. Very cool, couple choices. So that's for one. Another chrome tree here. This looks like you got the front end. Over here, 2 exhaust choices again. Another blower and some carburetors, some tri-carbs. Looks like you can set up 6 carburetors on that, and front axle. So just some parts you can kind of mix match and build it however you want. Here's another one with another set of wheels and some more hubcap choices and another set of wheel discs there. Custom grill, another grill surround, and some more exhaust. So you got a lot of little things you could do and customize it and make it your own. Let's get into the parts here. So yeah, so let me just open these up here and see, so you can actually see what's in them. It's more than one tree in the bag. Okay, so here's some tires. They're hard plastic, but what's nice about them, you can paint them up and they look pretty good. You can paint white walls on them pretty easily and stuff like that compared to vinyl, but yeah, they're pretty basic. The scale of these tires almost looks like you could use them even in 1/25, so it's a little odd, but you could play around with different car parts and make 2 little hot rods. That's a tree there. This looks like the T bucket body for the rear engine one. Yeah, you got the engine halves there and the little T body, the bucket body, and a cover to cover half of it, and some seats, and another custom front end and some scoops. So just kind of lay that out so you can see it. And here's yeah, this is for the rear engine one. So this is the chassis sort of layout, and then the bucket would go on there. So it's got that. That's where the front end goes and all that. So that's all the stuff in orange goes for that. And then there's some stuff modeled in blue for the other car. There we go. Get that open. So here's again the wheels for the blue car. You get some rears and fronts there, bigs and littles, and rear end and steering wheels, and looks like a dashboard here. And these are some front fenders and some rear fenders if you want to use. That's kind of neat. You could probably mix match parts between the 2 cars as well. There's the chassis and the engine halves, and little hood here where you can have the blower stick out, so you use that. Little interior bucket. This has a bench seat in it, not 2 buckets like the other car. And here's that body. Okay. Looks like some clear parts, so windshields and so forth here. I'll just go through just a couple of flat pieces of glass and some headlights. Then here we got a roof section if you want to have top-up version on the one car. And then looks like in the box you get a stand. That's a layout to put both cars on. Oh, you also get one more piece of glass. It's right here. Okay. Then they have a couple of, it's like a showcase here that you can build. A couple of pieces of cardboard that'll go on there to set up the models if you want to display them. And I think that setup is here. Yeah, here it is on the side of the box. So you can build that little setup there and display your little hot rods. So anyway, that's what's in the box of the Lindberg show rods. 132 scale. You get 2 models in one if it's something you want to just pick up and build, or you can spend a lot of time and fancy them up. And if you like, please subscribe, ring that bell for notifications, and have a great day.